Hey guys, welcome to my channel for another easy and relaxing drawing tutorial. Let's start with the paper tape on our paper. I want to make something for the top of my desk. With the acrylic, you can use a black pencil because acrylic will cover it. And drawing some leaf and rabbits. I want to keep it simple. So my main color would be green, and you can choose any type of green you like and start the coloring. Enjoy of what you are doing. Drawing, illustrating are like meditation for me, so hope you enjoy it too. Use same green for all the same leaves. We keep doing this until we have all our leaves turning green. The good thing about this kind of drawing is there is not much to do and you can see the result really quick. Then use a different green for other type of leaf you have. I always say if you don't have lots of colors, you can simply use white or black to have like different green. Even adding a bit of yellow or blue will give you different type of green. Now I'm going to cover the background with a dark blue because making it dark helps you to avoid details and feels like there is a bit depth. Time for a coffee. Now let's use pink for rabbit. I think pink is cute, so. Some small details like eyes, small things. Finally, the outline. It helps to make everything stand out more, and I think it's necessary to separate everything from each other and give a final look to your drawing. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what should I draw next. Thank you for watching, and please like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.